and today I'd like to tell you a bit more about Evido and our partner program. So, Evido, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Per Prieser. I'm responsible for the international sales and partner manager here at We4IT. Been working with We4IT now since 2014, and in this time I got a lot of customers with needs to modernize existing apps and other things, which includes our services from We4IT. So to come quickly to We4IT and our product, we are an IBM Premier and a Gold Partner for 15 years, located in Bremen in Germany and as well in Freiburg. And right now we've got 35 employees. Out of the 35 we have 2 IBM champions. Yeah, we have mainly 3 business focuses. First of all, of course, our Evido, which we have been developing for 4 years now. And with that, we also have a second part of our products, which is a cognitive solution unit and our managed service unit, which operates and administrates IBM collaboration solutions infrastructure on behalf of our clients. Of course, there are many synergies between these business units, and today's presentations, you're also going to see how a Evido platform will help you to benefit from the infrastructure and cognitive know-how. Yeah, Evido is a complete business application platform. It is also the fastest way to modernize existing Domino Notes applications. And before, I'm going to show you how it works. Well, hopefully that's not your hard way. It's hopefully a little bit newer, but this is how it feels, especially to younger employers, digital natives, and also C-level executives. And this is the feeling when you get when you open the client. It's not state of the art anymore. And today people want to use their business application on their phone, on the tablets. They want to use it everywhere, and they also want to use it in the browser from any place, basically. And that is not possible. And also upgrading your email client to a modern solution like IBM Verse or Outlook is not possible, because you still need the Notes client to use your applications. And leveraging your existing data with a third-party service like Watson is really difficult, or maybe integrating them into a SharePoint search. And this is where we come in with Evido, because Evido takes the working environment of your employees from here to there. Modern, responsive user interface that works on mobile phones, tablets, and the web browser. No need for any client software or library or flexible API and REST service to connect your applications to other services, because you all got that. Well, Evido scans your application to estimate the time and effort when we analyze it, but the effort which is needed to modernize them with the Evido wizard. Makes it easy to transform your application to the new Evido design, and that lets you enhance and augment your apps with a powerful tool. From this high-level architecture point of view, I mean, if we look at this, Evido looks like this. You know, if we go to the architecture, you see the old Notes application, you see the client, the business logic which is behind that, and this is all stored in the NSF data. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the data out from the NSF and put it into Evido. And once your application are modernized with Evido, they run on any device, and you can use our API or REST services to connect them to third-party services even. If you want to move your data as well as well, use maybe an SQL data, this is also an option. And if you want to learn more about it, how it works, well, we'll see and show that as well in a different webcast, so you can see how this is working too. But today, I mean, we're just focusing on using Evido as a foundation for your cognitive search, maybe that you want to build on top of it, or maybe something else. So there are different options which Evido gives you to enhance what you already have. I mean, your business value. As you can see, here are like some example notes application that we want to connect to Evido and want to transform them into a nicer view. First of all, you're going to have Evido login screen, which allows you from the browser or a mobile device to enter your applications. And this, without even doing much, is how you got results. You see a modern web design, you have it all in the browser and you can access your data straight away. You can even enhance your application, as I said before, like with a rich content, and as well Evido is responsive web apps, so has a responsive design, and you can even see that on the right-hand side, that it even shows whatever you have in the design you want to have it. So I said, the left-hand side, you can see you can even integrate in Evido some neat features like a custom content field where you can actually, maybe put Google Apps in or stream a Twitter stream. Evido also gives you a chance to use it on mobile devices with our app, which we're currently developing and which is soon going to be out. And even the offline mode includes that you can synchronize your data and can access them while you not have a connection, while you're in the offline mode. A lot of things and a lot of customers always saying like, it's really not a good solution that nodes you can't have data shown in a visual tool, and we integrated that in Evido as well. Like, for example, as you can see here, we've got a timeline we can show maybe what kind of project is done or what kind of project is currently done and who's doing that, and even have a charting function integrated in Evido. So you can even access from a view like certain kind of data, for example, what we have over here on the right hand side, a travel overview where you can see who has traveled how many times, what kind of transport he had, maybe the travel destination purpose, and so on. So there are a lot of options how you can show your data online in a visual kind of style. Out of the box, we also have task boards like agile boards for Scrum, Kanban, for example. So this is also how we work at We4IT when we have weekly activities, as you can see over here. We have like open task, we have today's task, and it's all drag and drop. So you don't have to do anything about that. It comes right out of the box. As well, you can show it like only your task you have to do, maybe a task from the whole team, as you can see over here. So there are a lot of things how you can show and give your clients and customers like the informations on a visual basis. A big part of business applications are workflows. And we've got a workflow modeler integrated in Evido too, so you can have all your workflows transferred to Evido and can build them with a actually pretty neat feature. Can even modernize them or can configure them. Like sometimes a workflow, well, is out of date or a workflow needs to be changed, and basically nearly everybody can operate this kind of workflow modeler because it's visual and everybody understands what you have to do. And the best part of the workflow modeler is that it's very easy by configuring integrated in an existing application. There's another problem, and I've heard it 2 weeks ago from a customer that he's got problems with printing out of notes. That seems to be actually quite a big problem when it comes to notes. And what we've got in Evido is an Office integration, so you can integrate, for example, a template, a Word template, an Excel template, or a PDF template into Evido, have the form over there, fill in the form, and then generate a doc or an Excel or PDF if you like. So this comes out of the box as well with Evido. Also, we've got flexible API and REST services, so even if you want to integrate Watson service, this can be done in Evido too. For example, translate or text-to-speech. This comes, for example, with the next version, but even now you have the chance even to integrate with our API into Evido, so you can maybe search, make a discovery search, or maybe if you want translate text into and see what comes out of it. As you can see, the migration effort from Evido is a lot less than when you do it all by yourself. And this is a part which is actually pretty cool because you save up to 70% of your migration effort. The automatic UI transformation is done via our wizard automatic translation of add formulas. We have currently around 50 add formulas which will be translated automatically. A side-by-side script editor and tools like a workflow modeler to replace the code. So basically after that everybody is able to, you know, modify a workflow if it needs to be done. So, but this is just one step, and as I said, now you've got like a small idea about Evido. You've seen probably before like our Evido video, which is online at YouTube. If you haven't seen it, I can definitely send you a link afterwards. This is not going to be a problem. But this part is now why we think or ask you why you should become a partner. And there's a big point. First of all, IBM announced it at the Connect and named us one of the best tools to modernize existing Notes Domino application. This is very fresh out of the table from the IBM Connect this year at San Francisco. So actually quite lucky to be there. So with Davino and Zafo, Evido is the tool to modernize existing apps. It's pretty cool and interesting information. So if you talk to the customers as well, this is one of the things you like to mention. We saw that as well in the response after the Connect. A lot of customers came to us and asked us what is possible with Evido, can it help us? And the response was basically overwhelming. Right, let's come to the partner model. Of course, for the partners, we offer a 30% margin on license sales. This includes if you buy or sell the license, or if the customer decides to rent the license. This means with that as well for our partners a regular income due, like maintenance or if he choose to have a rental version, then that means that our partners get a regular income. One of the big points is this exclusive lead registration. I mean, as you can see, for our partners, we offer a customer information portal where they can register the leads they have. This is important for 2 points. I mean, first of all, in order to avoid that not two partners are working on the same customer. And with this comes the second point. We do not want a bidding war between two partners. And to avoid this, we're going to have our customer information portal so they can register and can secure the leads. We also want partners to be good in that, and we do offer startup workshops to build know-how and to have that technical support at the start. Because what we need and what we expect from our partners is the services. This is our big part in Avido, and we want our partners to provide the necessary service to the end customer and want them help to start up with Avido in order to get them on the right level. That's why it's very important for us to give our partners very good, very decent workshops so that they have the right know-how to build up the technical level they're operating on it. Yeah, I mentioned before that after-sales services are done by the partners, such as workshops, even development, etc. And the advantage for our partners is further business and to build as well a deeper relationship to the customer. For the customer, it means that he has direct contact with our partner, and for this, as I said, like we need partners to provide the necessary services after the sale is done. Of course, we're always going to be involved with the support in customer situations. So if you have any problems, there's always a point to come to us and ask us about any kind of help. So we're always going to be there for our partners to support them in any problems they have. And of course, we also get direct requests. I mean, now we see that from our website, there are a lot of responses after the IBM Connect, and we do want to direct these leads to our partner in order for them to get in touch with the end client. And that means as well like additional business for our customers. I'm pretty sure you all seen that the iceberg is smaller on top than it is on the bottom. And yeah, we come to the interesting part for our partners, the services. And as we say, service is the key. When you have like a big project, 9 out of 10 customers need help with the services. For example, they need a startup workshop, which is required. And yeah, I mean, most companies, they don't have the resources to not modernize it all by themselves. So not only that is required, the startup workshop, but also additional services. And same like an iceberg, only 20 to 30% are license costs in a project when it comes to a more complicated one. Which means 70 to 80% are services like workshops, development, adjustment, and so on. The rest of the project costs are implemented, as I said, in these services. And this is a part, as I said, the bottom of the iceberg. And this is another benefit for our partners, big benefit, because services are part of our partners, as I said before, and our partners can charge them 100% by themselves. So to the license income, there comes another business value for our partner, and that is a project business. As I said, like, it's actually a pretty cool thing for our partners. Yeah, with Avido, we add new values to your business. This big thing. Because, I mean, basically you get to help the customers to modernize their existing Notes application. And that's very important because they spent years to create their business value, their application, and there's a lot of value inside. So if you help the customer, it's it's a big plus. And as well, and there's another thing, one of the biggest problems we find these days with our customer is a lot of them, they don't really want to invest in Notes anymore. We always hear, yes, okay, it's an old platform and the management doesn't want to invest the money in Notes anymore. Or, for example, we only invest in a strategy for the future. Well, if you heard that before, Avido certainly gives you the power to help in these cases and to help the customer. And the customer is going to be happy about that. I mean, Avido means modernize your business application, which have built over the years. And yes, there is a lot of business value in those applications. I mean, customers will understand that Avido helps them and secures those values and provide them with a future-proofed strategy. Yeah, so we're nearly there, as I can say. Yeah, to sum up, why is it good to become a partner and how we for IT and you as a potential partner can both benefit in that? First of all, the income with the sale and rental, I mean, that's a big plus for the partner as well. Selling license is as well good for us. Then especially the big benefit for the partners is the income with services. You get to offer your customers and even new customers, because you're gonna maybe discover a new business field, you're gonna offer them a new business strategy. And a lot of people are happy about that because they get to see a way to use what they already have and make it even better. You can help them by building a strong relationship with their customer even. Because if you're going into a strategy meeting, it's going to be totally different. And if you're going to show them how they can do something even better, then it builds definitely a stronger relationship, as we have discovered in the past. Yeah, as I said before, it's IBM recommended. They said we are one of 3 tools for modernizing existing Domino applications. And the best part is that with Avido, you don't need to buy a new server or a Tomcat, whatever. No, you can still operate that on your Domino server. So basically, there's no new hardware you need to definitely buy. And of course, for our partners, this is what you want, is secure leads. That you're sure if you have a lead and if you have registered the lead, where you can be sure that only you are working on and only we give you the price for Avido. As we say, like, achieve more with a strong partner. And if you're interested, we'll say join our Avido team and definitely become a partner for Avido.